This is my room in the Hilton Garden Inn in Arlington, Shirlington, Washington, D.C. My flight from Las Vegas got delayed, so I missed my connecting flight to Albany. They said it was the FAA's fault, so I didn't really have to do anything, but American Airlines were nice and they gave me a voucher for this hotel here. Of course, the shuttle had stopped working, so I had to pay for a cab to get here, which hopefully I can get reimbursed for it. But this is the room. It's sort of dark in here. There's not a lot of lights. I don't like that. But it's a nice room. Got a chair, footstool, lamp, the 2 beds. A little bit of artsy-fartsy on the wall there. The TV. Full-length mirror. Hello. Subscribe. Thumbs up or thumbs down, it doesn't matter. They've got a microwave, a coffee maker, a mini fridge. Here's the closet. You know, we've all seen closets, nothing new here. And then the bathroom over here. Hello. And that is the room here in Washington, D.C. This is Vegas Man Bun, keeping it real, keeping it groovy, or keeping it to himself. And you do the same thing, Vegas Man Bunnies. Bye-bye.